To determine the age of employees, first active days cell. Nest the today function with an integer function. Click in formula bar, type equal sign, type integer function, open bracket, type today function, open and close brackets. Enter subtraction operator, click this cell reference, close bracket. After the close bracket, type division operator. Type 365 days. Press enter. Again active this cell. Format this cell in numbers. Right click. Click format cell. Click number in category box. Reduce the decimal places to 0. Click OK. You can see the age of this employee is 38 years. To calculate the age of other employees, copy and paste the formula in other cells. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. You have age of other employees. In this way, you can calculate the age of employees in an Excel worksheet. Now I calculate the length of service of each employee in years. Copy the formula from cell reference E2 and paste in cell reference H2. First active cell reference E2. Click copy button in clipboard group. Then active this cell reference H2. Click the paste button in clipboard group. Press escape key. You know, the length of service is calculated by job starting date. So active this cell. Click in formula bar. Press backspace key. Click this cell reference. Press enter. Again active this cell reference. Right click. Click format cells. Increase the decimal places to 1. Click OK. Copy and paste the formula in other cells. Double click. You have length of service of all employees.